Welcome back, everybody. Today we have a storm coming in, and I have the urge, as I often do, to sow some seeds. We're going to sow some green bean seeds today. I'm going to use the Big Kahuna bush variety green bean. I enjoy these because they're prolific, they're tasty, not too stringy, and just a good all-around green bean. When you're planting green beans, it's pretty simple. You make a small hole about 1/2 inch down, and you can make holes every 3 to 4 inches apart. Green beans can grow relatively close together. Drop your beans. Cover them up and wait for the rain. If you have rain coming in your area, maybe consider sowing some green bean seeds. Have a beautiful day, everybody. Bye-bye.